Affiliate Marketing Mastery, Earning Commissions Through Effective Partnerships. Welcome to Income Ideas Insider, where we explore the secrets of successful affiliate marketing. Join us to learn how to boost your income through effective partnerships. Affiliate marketing has become a popular and effective way for individuals and businesses to generate income online. By promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral, you can create a steady stream of revenue. To master affiliate marketing and maximize your earnings, here are 10 essential points to consider. Before we dive into our video, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us grow. Stay tuned for more exciting content and don't miss out on any updates. Number 10. Choose the right niche. Selecting a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise is crucial in affiliate marketing. When you choose a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in, you can create more engaging and authentic content. This authenticity resonates with your audience, building trust and fostering a loyal following. A well-chosen niche allows you to provide valuable insights and recommendations, making it easier to connect with your audience on a deeper level. Ultimately, the right niche can significantly enhance your success and satisfaction in affiliate marketing. Number 9. Research affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. It's essential to research and select programs that offer competitive commissions, reliable tracking systems, and timely payments. Programs with higher commissions increase your earning potential, while reliable tracking ensures you get credit for your referrals. Timely payments are crucial for maintaining cash flow. Additionally, reputable programs often provide marketing materials and support, such as banners, email templates, and performance insights. These resources can significantly enhance your promotional efforts and improve your success rate by carefully choosing your affiliate programs. Number 8. Build a strong online presence. Establishing a strong online presence through a blog, website, or social media platforms is essential in affiliate marketing. Consistently producing high-quality, valuable content attracts and retains an audience, which is key to building trust and credibility. Engaging content keeps your audience coming back, increasing the chances for affiliate conversions. A well-maintained online presence allows you to reach a broader audience and create a community around your niche. By regularly updating your platforms with relevant and informative content, you enhance your visibility and authority, leading to more opportunities for successful affiliate marketing and increased earnings. Number 7. Create engaging content. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Creating engaging, informative, and persuasive content that resonates with your audience is essential for success. High-quality content helps build trust and authority in your niche. Product reviews, tutorials, and comparisons are particularly effective in showcasing the benefits of the products or services you are promoting. These types of content provide valuable insights and practical information, helping your audience make informed purchasing decisions. By focusing on the needs. Number 6. Utilize SEO strategies. Search engine optimization, SEO, is vital for driving organic traffic to your content. Using relevant keywords, optimizing your site structure, and ensuring your content is easily accessible to search engines can significantly improve your visibility. Incorporate keywords naturally into your content, titles, and meta descriptions to enhance search rankings. A well-structured site with clear navigation helps both users and search engines understand your content better. Additionally, creating high-quality backlinks and regularly updating your content keeps it fresh and relevant. Effective SEO practices attract more potential customers, increasing your chances for affiliate conversions and overall success in affiliate marketing. Number 5. Leverage email marketing. Building an email list allows you to maintain direct communication with your audience. Email marketing enables you to share valuable content, promote affiliate products, and build trust with your subscribers. By regularly providing helpful and engaging information, you keep your audience informed and interested in your offerings. Personalized recommendations and exclusive offers can further enhance the relationship with your subscribers. This direct and consistent interaction leads to higher conversion rates as your audience becomes more receptive to your promotions. Ultimately, a well-managed email list is a powerful tool for driving affiliate sales and fostering long-term customer loyalty. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Active engagement with your audience through comments, social media, and forums helps build trust and credibility. By addressing questions and providing personalized recommendations, you demonstrate your expertise and genuine interest in your audience's needs. This interaction fosters a sense of community and loyalty, making your audience more likely to trust your suggestions and act on them. Engaging with your audience also provides valuable feedback, allowing you to refine your content and marketing strategies. Enhanced relationships with your audience boost affiliate sales, as people are more inclined to purchase products recommended by someone they trust and regularly interact with. Number 3. Analyze and optimize performance. Regularly analyzing the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts is crucial for success. Use analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and revenue, gaining insights into how well your campaigns are performing. By identifying what works best, you can optimize your strategies to improve results continuously. For instance, if certain content or promotional methods drive more traffic and conversions, focus more on those areas. Additionally, analyzing performance data helps you understand your audience's preferences and behaviors, allowing you to tailor your approach accordingly. Number 2. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single affiliate program or product can be risky. To ensure a stable and sustainable income, diversify your income streams by promoting multiple products or services across different affiliate programs. This approach minimizes the risk of income loss if one program underperforms or discontinues. Additionally, offering a variety of products or services can appeal to a broader audience, increasing your chances of conversions. By diversifying, you can balance fluctuations in affiliate earnings and create a more resilient and robust affiliate marketing strategy, ultimately leading to more consistent and reliable revenue streams. Number 1. Stay updated with industry trends. The affiliate marketing landscape is dynamic and constantly evolving. To stay ahead, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, strategies, and changes in affiliate programs. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to maintaining your competitive edge and achieving long-term success in affiliate marketing. Keep up with industry news, attend webinars, read blogs, and network with other affiliate marketers to stay updated. By staying informed and adapting your strategies accordingly, you can capitalize on new opportunities. Mastering affiliate marketing involves strategic planning, consistent effort, and continuous improvement. By choosing the right niche, creating engaging content, leveraging SEO and email marketing, engaging with your audience, and staying updated with industry trends, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing mastery, earning commissions through effective partnerships.